Right now, people are making more money from a faceless phone screen than most jobs pay in a month. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all four are paying creators today. So let me show you what a cash cow really is, how much you can actually make on each platform, and how to automate the entire thing inside Claude Code, exactly the way we do it. First, what is a cash cow? It's a faceless account built around one niche that posts simple, scroll-stopping videos consistently and earns on autopilot from platform payouts, brand deals, and views that keep paying long after you post. No camera, no face, just content that works while you sleep. And here's the key in 2026. You don't pick one platform. You post the same idea on all of them. So let's break down how each one actually pays. TikTok pays through its Creator Rewards program for qualifying videos over 1 minute. The more watch time, the more you earn, plus lives and sponsorships on top. Instagram pays through Reels, bonuses, and brand deals, and it has the craziest organic reach for a brand new account. One reel can blow up with 0 followers. Facebook is the one everybody sleeps on. In-stream ads and performance bonuses on Reels often pay more per view than anywhere else because the competition is older and thinner. And YouTube is the long game. Ad revenue from the partner program, Shorts payouts, and sponsors on videos that can earn for years. It's the asset you actually own. So how much can you make? Be realistic. A small, consistent, faceless page might do a few $100s a month to start. Creators running one niche across all 4 platforms regularly report $1,000 to $10,000 a month. And the big faceless brands? Far, far more. The pattern is always the same. It's not luck, it's volume and consistency, which is exactly where everyone gets stuck. To make this work, you have to post every day, on every platform. That means scripting, editing, captioning, and reformatting every single video 4 different ways. Do that by hand and you'll quit in a month. Nobody has that kind of time. So here's how we actually do it. We automate the whole thing inside Claude Code. You drop in the Viral Video Studio, you give it one topic, and it does everything. It researches the facts, writes the hook and script, records a natural voice, pulls real footage, adds captions and motion graphics, and renders a finished video. Then it cuts that one idea into a TikTok, a Reel, a Facebook video, and a YouTube upload, and even writes the descriptions and hashtags for each. You go from a blank screen to 4 ready-to-post videos without opening an editor once. Then you just run the loop, batch a week of topics, let it build them, and post across all 4 platforms every day. Stack 2 or 3 niches, and now you've got a faceless content machine running on autopilot, the exact system the channels you envy are quietly using. That system is Viral Video Studio. You run it inside Claude Code, just like we showed you. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Grab it, give it your first topic, and post your first faceless video on all 4 platforms today. If this was useful, subscribe. Next, I'll show you the exact niches that print the most across TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.